Welcome back to SoftCars Automotive Digital Solutions channel. In this training video, we are walking through the step-by-step installation and manual activation of ODIS Service version 25.2.2. First, navigate to your downloaded ODIS S 25.2.2 folder. Right-click the primary installation archive and extract its contents. Once the extraction is complete, right-click the Setup executable and select Run as Administrator to initialize the installation. The Setup Assistant will unpack the configuration files. Select English US from the language selection window, confirm your choice and progress. When prompted to select your active diagnostic interface, choose the VAG 6154 option from the drop-down menu and proceed. Allow the installer to write the required system files and components to your drive. Once the installation wizard has completed the process, close the installer. Next, open the extracted ODIS activation folder. Select and copy both the license data file and the application launcher. Before pasting these files, right-click your desktop ODIS shortcut and select Properties. Access the advanced settings and check Run as Administrator. From the Properties window, click Open File Location to quickly jump to the C.OIL Program Files OS installation directory. Paste your copied files here, granting full administrator access when Windows prompts you. To prepare your vehicle database update, return to your download directory and extract archive file number 3. Cut this newly extracted database folder. Paste it cleanly into your local Windows Documents directory to avoid directory errors. Now launch ODIS as an administrator. The PostSetup window will appear. Click Select Local Directory and point to the Update Database folder. Ensure English US is selected. Verify that your brand profile checkboxes are selected, covering Audi, Volkswagen, Bentley, Seat, Skoda and MAN. Proceed to initialize the file integration. This process copies the manufacturer diagnostic resources into the core system. When the data configuration is complete, the updater will request an application restart. Click Restart Now to apply the update parameters. Open ODIS once more with administrative privileges. The launcher will perform routine database cleanup and load the primary diagnostic dashboard. Once open, choose Hardware License and select your license.dat file. Manually click Admin on the right sidebar and navigate to the Connections tab. Type for all listed vehicle brands from CPN to Internet, then click Save at the bottom right. To verify your diagnostic database is active, select Info and then Versions. Confirm that product version 25.2.2 is registered correctly. To download the software, please click the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more automotive digital solutions.